This is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. So, apologies. Me and Wolf actually did the video, but it didn't record. So, rather than annoy him and get him to redo this, I'm just going to quickly run through it all. And obviously, this is just general share advice and not personal. Um, and I think it's better actually that I'm actually I'm going to sum this up. I think a lot better than maybe what we did when we were talking about it, because we actually talked through it. And at the end of the video, I did wish we'd spoken about other things which are a little bit more obvious. Um, and I think one of those is there's a few comments on FN Arena, and VEA was one of those, which pays a nice sort of dividend of about 7.5%. And it's coming down back now to the trend line. Now there's a few target prices around 322 and 360. I can't remember who it was, Macquarie Group or Ord Minnett, one of the two of them. And so it could be an opportunity. Now it's hard to make money at the moment, but maybe VEA on it. It's a dividend stock. I can put it on a monthly. I think around this sort of level looks reasonably interesting. The other two dividend stocks that I just want to talk about, SXE put out a fairly decent announcement today. Again, very good, look excellent, and if you're in that, you'd hold it. If not, you could buy it. And BRI, which again is holding the trend, and as we spoke about, there's two ways to see it. Yes, the housing market, a little bit of risk there, but they're reasonably busy at the moment, and it's paying a really decent dividend. So it's going to be cyclical, this stock, but BRE, a good little dividend paying stock, but not as good as SXE in this environment, or VEA, because obviously the issue is at the moment with BRI, just the property market, although it's holding up, there's a little bit of a risk there. And which you can't look at it really on a monthly. The weekly looks good. The announcement was reasonably positive, but it's just a market. In a good market, this will do better. It might have a run. Unfortunately, the market we're in at the moment, this one is not going to move. So at the moment, on the watch list, if it can break above that 150, 160, then we'll get it. We'll trade it. We'll try and make some money on it. But at the moment, it's just not good enough. And CMM, just having a look at CMM, this came in with some pretty decent gold numbers. So again, their cost for production was at the lower part of the range. And you know what? When you see good gold stocks like that producing gold at decent prices, you want to trend these stories. At the moment, I just want to see a better price action. It's a bit up and down, maybe because it's lightly traded. I think there's better stories to trend than this one at the moment, so I wouldn't be buying it at the moment. The general talk about today is opportunity. The market's having a little bit of a bounce. I know I quite like that VEA because I think it's in the right sector at the moment. But the market's having a bounce now. We talked about getting out of the market at the moment. So this is an opportunity. If some of those stocks you're in at the moment are having a little bit of a bounce, I think it's an opportunity to get a little bit more cash, because this market is going to get worse before it gets better. So opportunity, when you get green days like this on the market, and there's maybe that one little stock that you were going to get out of and you didn't get out of it, well, opportunity knocks a chance to get a little bit more money into cash. And that's what it's all about at the moment. Because remember, the important thing in life, or important thing in the stock market, is taking easy money, not hard money. At the moment, generally speaking, it's all hard. Now, one area that's interesting, the Chinese have come out a little bit and said we are going to curb our graphite exports. And I think they produce up to 90% of the world's graphite. So you can see all our graphite producers are having a little bit of a flurry. TLG is up, SYR is up strongly, WKT not looking too bad, BKT and RNU. However, none of these are a buy yet on the charts, but you can put them on your watch list. You can put TLG on your watch list, no problem whatsoever. Get on your watch list. You can put SYR on your watch list. WKT, fine. Put it on the watch list. BKT, at least these ones are jumping above the trend, and RNU. Get them on your watch list, and we'll see. There might be an opportunity sometime in the next 2 or 3 weeks to have a look and buy them. Generally speaking, I think it's still a gold and oil play at the moment. The shorts are still doing reasonably well. We spoke about a number of shorts yesterday. You can see that SDS again up last night. You can see these are the Russell, the smaller cap shares, again up 1%, and a TWM doing reasonably well. You can see the hot stock a few weeks ago, again bouncing, looking reasonably good. You've got the other shorts, the SQQ, the PSQ, and the QUID, QID. Again, just need to do a little bit more. But the ones that are trending certainly have gone on with it and don't look too bad at all. Like I said, trade carefully. It's an opportunity to get out of stocks at the moment. It's an opportunity to look at gold. It's an opportunity to look at oil. And like we said, the general feeling is this market is going to get worse before it gets better. So trade carefully, and we'll see you tonight on Ask the Analyst Live. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye. Bye.